Hey guys, take a minute with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your iPhone completely or sign out of your Apple account on your iPhone so that you can use another account or erase your information. So let's get started. So in order to sign out of your iPhone or log out, it's going to be really simple. All you do is go into your setting of your iPhone. Once you go into your setting, it's going to look like a menu like this. You'll click on your name or the Apple account that's there. Click on it. And it should load up just like this. And then if you go all the way down here, there's going to be option to sign out. So you'll click on sign out. Once you do that, it needs to go ahead and turn off your Find My iPhone. So you need to enter your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Apple ID password for this account. Now, once you entered your Apple ID password for that account, all you'll do is click on turn off just up top here. And then it will begin the process to log you out. And it's asking you in this menu if you want any of this data saved, like your contact, health, keychain, and other information that's available. You can turn it on if you want to keep that copy in your iCloud account for that account that you have. I'm just going to leave it as is. Click on sign out. And it says, as again, final thing before you want to sign out or log out, or just click on that and it will start logging you out of your iCloud account on your iPhone. Now, after you have done that, that means now someone new can sign in and start using this iPhone with their Apple ID account, or you can use a different one as well. But what this will not do is keep in mind that if you have apps like your social media apps, your banking apps, all the apps that's still available on the phone will still be there and logged in. So in order to actually go ahead and wipe it out completely or erase everything, all of your data, and start fresh, is I recommend is going ahead and, if you haven't done so, erasing your iPhone. But also keep in mind, if you're going to be erasing it, make sure you back up your iPhone as well. So in order to go ahead and erase your iPhone, to really go a step further, right now, this is for if you really want to remove everything instead of just your Apple ID account, which works to give it to someone like a family member or someone, or if you don't want them to have any of your information, is you want to go erase your iPhone by going to your settings, general, and then transfer reset iPhone, and then click on this option to erase all content and setting, and then hit continue here. And after you erase it, it's going to take about a few minutes and get back to the home screen. Now that's going to be the actual method to go ahead and delete everything off your information instead of just signing out. But again, if you just want to sign out, all you do or log out, just sign out, and this should be fine for you. If you don't have any apps, you can go ahead and individually also delete each app if you want to remove them and keep the default app, but that's all up to you. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.